Welcome to another episode of the CSE Student Tools 101 series by the Allen School Peer Advisors. In this episode, we'll be going over how to use the CSE lab printers. Sometimes doing your 311 problem sets in LaTeX can feel tedious. Maybe it's time to go back to pen and paper. Whether you need a physical copy of your homework, a fresh stack of your latest resumes, or need to pass out flyers to advertise your club, the UW CSE printers are an amazing resource. And to top it all off, black and white printing for UW CSE undergraduates and grad students is completely free. There are a variety of print stations located in both the Allen Center and Gates Center buildings. Here's a list of all the printers that we have available. It's important to note that printing procedures across printers are the same, but will differ depending on what computer and what operating system you're using when you initialize the print job. I'm going to show you how both of these procedures work, starting with a Linux machine. This is the easiest and fastest way to get a print job done. Now that I've scanned into one of the Gates labs, I'm going to look for a Linux computer. Linux machines are typically labeled with a green sticker like this, so they're super easy to find. Next, you'll want to pull up the document that you want to print. It's really easy to print from Google Docs or also just from the PDF file that you're printing. To print this, just click on the little printer icon on the top left or right hand of the page. Then a printing pop-up that looks like this should appear on your screen. But you might be wondering, how do I know what option to select for my printing destination? You'll want to find your printer name by locating the physical printer you wish to use. They're often in the corner of the room, so look carefully. As you can see, the printer name in this case is PG110. After we update the printer destination with PG110, we can also update other parameters like which pages to print, how many copies we want, etc. And then when you're ready to print, just click print. And there it goes. That's how you print with a Linux machine. Now let's find a Windows machine. These are also easy to locate if you look for a blue sticker. We're going to start with bringing up the document we want to print and making sure that it's ready to go, and then it's going to get a little complicated. Start with opening your File Explorer, and in the search bar at the top of your screen, you'll want to type in 2 slashes followed by rps.cs.washington.edu, and then hit Enter. Afterwards, you might be prompted by a Windows security pop-up to enter in your credentials. So for your username, you'll want to type in CSE netid / then your CSE username, and then you'll want to type in your normal CSE password. Once you submit your info, you'll now see a new screen that looks like this. All of these little icons are different drivers corresponding to the many printers in the CS department. Find the right printer by checking your printer name, and then right-click and click the Connect option to connect to that printer. It should start connecting right away, but if not, you might get another pop-up that looks like this. And if that's the case, just click the Install Driver option. Once it's installed and connected, return to your document and get ready to print. It's the same procedure as before. Make sure to click the correct printer destination and set your printing preferences as desired. Hit print and then you're good to go. And there you have it, printing with Windows. If you have any issues, especially with Windows printing, you should check out our instruction manual for CSE lab printing available at this link. Thanks for watching.